Now, SQL Server 2012 is a major upgrade. As they do periodically, usually every 4 to 5 years, they have a major new release that has a significant feature change, significant sets of important updates. So as you know, they've done 2000, then they had 2005, then 2008, and then they had this kind of halfway upgrade that was 2008 R2 before they got around to 2012. There were a few key things that they wanted to fix along the way, but it wasn't a major upgrade. 2012 truly is. They have over 170 new features within the product, covering the entire spectrum of important areas that SQL Server manages. They've got new features for handling high availability, for improving scalability and performance. They've got better security and manageability. They've really worked to improve the ability to access this information through web technologies, to have better business intelligence interaction. They've put a lot of effort into this. Now we're going to talk about some of the core features, some of the newest and coolest, if you will, features that are embedded within SQL Server 2012. Obviously we don't have enough time in an hour to cover even a fraction of the 170 new features that are out there. That's why you got to come back and take a class with us so we can get through all the rest. With that in mind, when we start looking at what they've done within SQL Server, they've created areas of importance. And that's why we have them broken down this way on the slide, is so that we can understand where they put their focus within this environment. And what I've found they've had the biggest improvements on are their areas with availability, some of their performance, and some of their BI stuff. Now, all of these are important critical features, but I find those to be particularly interesting because it's areas that are so important to business today. The fact is, your executives, your decision makers, they need to be able to get access to that core information. They need to be able to analyze it, tear it apart, figure out the status of their business endeavor.